Congratulations! You have taken the first steps in planning your retirement. We call it Life 2.0. Are you tired of all the so-called retirement gurus, confusing you with information overload? Do you feel that you don't know what is best for you when meeting with them? Are you frustrated trying to figure out what's next in your Life 2.0 plan? Are you worried you don't know who to trust with your life savings? Does meeting with a financial advisor make you feel worse than a dental visit? To some people it does. There can be a better path for your Life 2.0 plan using my exclusive lab method. How would life be if you knew that your customized Life 2.0 goals are well within reach? Protect your lifestyle. Generate the income you need. Taking care of necessary loved ones. You've taken the first steps by downloading my 10-minute retirement guide. It will give you some quick guidance on taking the first steps in planning Life 2.0. You can certainly do it yourself if you have the time, patience, knowledge and resources to figure it out. Life 2.0 planning is complicated enough, without trying to figure out how to navigate through all of the complex financial jargon and intricacies of Life 2.0 plans. Or, you can let a professional plan your Life 2.0, which you can co-create confidently. Schedule a quick call at talktoroy.com to see how I can simplify your Life 2.0 plan using my exclusive lab method. Or call my office at 610-695-8748 to schedule a time to talk.